In this video, we're going to talk about some of the challenges associated with finding information from multiple information sources and show you how Simplexo Locate can make that much more easy and straightforward and help you find the information you're looking for first time. Of course, part of the challenge is that now information is stored everywhere, stored on perhaps your local PC, stored on your corporate network services, and indeed increasingly on web-based services. And when I'm trying to find information, I'm forced to use multiple different search tools to locate that data. For example, you may have to use something like Microsoft Outlook to search your email system. You may have to use the search facility within something like Microsoft SharePoint, or indeed execute separate searches on each of your favorite social networking sites such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. to find what you're looking for. And an awful lot of those search tools are extremely powerful, but some of the challenges is that they produce so many results that it can be very time consuming to filter and manipulate those search results. That's best shown in something like Google, which if I type a search phrase in such as locate for Windows, you can see here that I have over 11 million page results being displayed. Now that indicates a very powerful search, but I have the perennial challenge of pasting through a number of pages in order to find what I'm looking for. And because most end users are unfamiliar with the ways in which we can use advanced search techniques to reduce that results, this paging through is a very, very commonplace scenario. And that leads to a high number of abandoned searches and an awful lot of time spent going through that type of search activity. Let's compare the way in which we do that within Simplexo Locate. This is the Locate for Windows main screen, and I can simply type in here the same search phrase, locate for Windows, and click on the search button. Now, Simplexo technology is automatically populating my set of results on the left-hand side here. You can see that we have 113 total items found, and that is made up of content from my local PC hard drive, from my local email system, from social networking sites, from the internet, and also from corporate services such as Microsoft SharePoint and Microsoft Exchange. In each of those cases, I can show and display those files by individual file type, such as Microsoft Word or PDF documents. Very typically, I might have an understanding of the type of file I'm looking for. This allows me to find that very quickly. And the same applies to data from my local email system. Either I can show a consolidated list of results, or I can show individual file attachments by type, and that will return results based on the search phrase contained within those file attachments. And at any particular instance, it's very easy for me to double click on an item to display it. In this particular instance, in Outlook, so that I can reply, forward, or read the email or file attachment as I need to. Data from the internet is displayed directly within the preview window. In this particular instance, on the left-hand side here, I can show Twitter results. I can also show broad internet search results as well, and they can be opened, and I have full control to browse through those internet sites in the same way as I would normally. The information from Microsoft SharePoint allows me to view documents held within SharePoint document libraries, and again those can be opened directly within Microsoft Word, or in this particular instance Adobe Acrobat, for being able to read and or print those documents. And similarly, data from Exchange is displayed directly within the Simplexo application. So in all cases, that allows me to very, very quickly not only identify, but to read and locate documents that are being presented to me, and all without leaving the single Simplexo end user interface. So there we have it, Simplexo Locate, concurrent searching using a single click.